Hello dear students, how are you? I hope all you're fine. So welcome back to your maths online classes, and this is the fourth part of the first chapter of your maths book, that is numbers. And in this video we will read about successor, predecessors and finding a number more than or less than. So let's start our topic. Children, what is successor? Successor means successor. Successor means number प्लस वन. ओके, किसी भी नंबर का सक्सेसर निकालने के लिए आप उसमें वन ऐड कर देंगे. एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू हैव टू फाइंड द सक्सेसर ऑफ 5, that is 5 plus 1. 6 is the successor of 5. Similarly, if you have to find the successor of 156, you will add simply plus 1 in it, and then you will find the successor of this number. Means 156 plus 1 is 157, and this is the successor. Okay, and if you have to find the successor of 6226, simply you will add plus 1. Okay, plus 1, and when you will plus 1 in it, it will be 6227. Okay children, now what is predecessors? Okay, predecessor means that number minus 1. That number minus 1. When you have to find the predecessor of any number, you will subtract 1 from that number. Means if you have to find the predecessor of 5, means 5 minus 1 equal 4. 4 is the predecessor of 5. Similarly, if you have to find the predecessor of 156, means 156 minus 1. That is 155, and 155 is the predecessor of 156. Means predecessor means उस नंबर के जस्ट पहले कौन सी नंबर आती है वो predecessor है, एंड किसी भी नंबर के जस्ट बाद कौन सी नंबर आती है वो उसकी सक्सेसर नंबर होती है. ओके, so if you have to find the predecessor of 6226, you will similarly subtract minus 1. Okay, 6225, 6 minus 1, 5. Okay children, so this is the predecessor of this number. So simply successor is that number plus 1, means the number that comes just after any number is called successor, and any number that comes just before any number is called predecessor. Very simple. Okay, so when you have to find successor, simply add plus 1 in that number, and when you have to find predecessor, simply subtract 1 from that number. Okay, now we will learn how to find more than or less than a number. Children, you know how to add 1 or how to subtract 1 to get successor and predecessor. Similarly, you will add 10, okay, to find 10 more than. Okay, if there is asked to find 10 more than, what will you do? 10 means tens. Okay, 10 means tens, tens प्लेस. जैसे आपको प्लेस वैल्यू निकालनी होती है तो आप ऐसे लिखते हो ना, वंस, टेंस, 100, 1000, 10,000 एंड मोर. देन वंस पे वंस की वैल्यू क्या होती है? 1, टेंस की 10, 100 की 100, 1000 इज 1000, एंड सिमिलरली 10 is 10,000, 10,000. Okay, so when you have to find 10 more than, what will you do? Let's see. If you have to find 10 more than 50, you will increase the tens digit by 1, because you have to find 10 more than, and 10 mean tens. So आप tens की वैल्यू को क्या करेंगे? एक बढ़ा के लिख देंगे. So ones क्या है? 5, and tens, यहाँ ये ones है, ये tens है. ओके, so ones की वैल्यू आप ऐसे ही लिख लेंगे, and the number on tens place will be increased by 1. So 4 plus 1 क्या हो जाएगा? 5. Here you have find 10 more than 45, that is 55. Again, अगर आपको 55 से 10 more than निकालना है फिर आप वंस एंड टेंस. वंस digit will be written simply and the digit on tens place will be increased by 1. So 5 plus 1 is 65. Okay, simply you can find 10 more than. Again, second example, if you have to find 1463, 10 more than of this number, then first you will fix its place ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Then if you have to find 10 more than means tens place increase होगी only and other digits will be written simple, just like that. So ones place will be remain 3 and tens place 6 plus 1 7. 100 place तो वही होगी and 1000 place भी वही होगी because आपको सिर्फ 10 more than फाइंड करना है. तो टेंस की प्लेस सिर्फ चेंज होगी एंड इट विल इंक्रीज बाय 1. Got it, children? Now if you have to find 10 less than, what you will do? Just like it, you will decrease. Here you are increasing na, you increase the tens digit by 1. Now if you have to find 10 less than, then you will decrease. Okay, then you will decrease the tens digit by 1. Means if you have to find 10 less than 45 means ones and tens, then what will you do? You will decrease the tens digit by 1. So the ones digit will be the same and tens digit will decrease by 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. Here you have find 10 less than 45. Again, if you have to find 10 less than 1463, that is ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Then other digits will remain same and only tens digit will be decreased by 1 because you are finding 10 less than. So 3 and tens digit will be decreased by 1. 6 minus 1 is 5. Other digits will remain same. Here you have found 10 less than of this number. It is very simple term. Similarly, you can find 100 more than and 1000 more than. If you have to find 100 more than, okay children, what will you do? 100 means 100 digit. So if you have to find 100 more than, which digit will change? 100 digit. Okay, and more than means increase. 100 digit will increase by 1. So fix its place ones, tens and 100. When you have to find 100 more than, ones and tens digit will remain same means 8, 7 and 100 digit plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Here you have found 100 more than. 178 is 278. Very simply you can solve such type of questions. If you have to find 100 more than 5466, then first you will fix its place ones, tens, 100, 1000. The other digits will remain same as you know. 6 ones digit, 6 tens digit, but the 100 digit will increase. So 4 plus 1 is 5 and 1000 digit will again same. Very simple. Now if you have to write 100 less than, in the same way, 100 less than, what you will do? Tell me. Yes, very good. You will decrease because less than, so you will decrease. And which digit will be decreased? 100 digit. Okay, 100 digit, and it will decrease by 1. So 178 less than 178, ones, tens, 100. Ones and tens digit will remain same and 100 digit will increase by 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0 and 0 is not written before any number, so that is 78. So 100 less than 178 is 78. Again, if you have to find 100 less than this number, ones, tens, 100 and 1000, you will do the same process. Ones and tens digit will remain same and 100 digit minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. Again 1000 digit will remain same. Very simple. Again, you have to find 1000 more than. Now tell me, what will you do? Yes, very great. You will increase, and which digit will increase? 1000 digit. Okay, 1000 digit will change and it will increase by 1. So if you have to find 1000 more than 44,100, ones, tens, 100 and 1000, first you will fix its place, then other digits will remain same, and only the digit on 100 place will be increased by 1. So write it, ones, tens, 100 digits will be same, and 4 is on 1000 place, so 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, in the same way, if you have to find 1000 more than of this number, this is ones, tens, 100 and 1000. सो वंस टेंस 100 डिजिट तो सेम रहेंगी, एंड 1000 डिजिट में आप क्या करेंगे, एक जोड़ेंगे, इट विल इंक्रीज. सो 2 + 1 इज 3. वेरी सिंपल. यहाँ आपने क्या फाइंड किया, 1000 मोर देन. ओके, नाउ इफ यू हैव टू फाइंड 1000 लेस देन, 1000 लेस देन ऑफ एनी नंबर, what will you do? You will decrease. And which digit will decrease? 1000 digit. Okay children, so if you have to find 1000 less than of this number, first you will fix its place, ones, tens, 100 and 1000, and फिर क्या करेंगे, बाकी digits तो same रहेंगी, 1000 में से आप एक माइनस कर दोगे. ओके, so 6, 5, 2 and 3 minus 1 is 2. Very simple. Another example, 6,724, and you have to find 1000 less than of this number. Then what will you do? First you will fix its place, ones, tens, 100, 1000, and the digits on 100, ones, tens and 100 will be same. So 4, 2, 7, and 1000 digit क्या होगी, एक माइनस करेगी. So 6 minus 1 is 5. Okay children, so here our topic ends. Try to solve such type of questions